Zimbo here, and today I don't really have anything to do because I'm walking home from school, just got off the bus, loud and annoying as usual, but I got bored, so I decided just to make a video while I'm walking home. So, first thing I want to say is, oh sorry if you can't see me by the way, it's really sunny right now. So look at this. I really hope you can see what I'm about. Look at that. And beautiful. Nature. A wonderful thing. And I'll be able to actually get a better look in a minute because I'm just heading down now. So, just be a second. And no, I do not live by the beach. I got quite like a 20-minute walk. But this is where I stopped, so might as well. Oh, finally, shade. But now you can't see me because it's too dark, so you can't really see me at all in this video. Anyway, as we begin. So, I've been thinking on YouTube, I've been doing quite a bit of vlogging. That's the reason, because I can't really do gaming videos or stuff like that, because it's hard for me to video it when it always looks bad. And wow, look at this nice glistening sand, and please hope someone get a good picture. No, get out of my way. Okay, it looks quite far, but pretty, very, very pretty. Now anyway, moving on. Oh god, nature's beautiful. Damn beautiful today. Anyway, so far, nothing's happening. Okay, waiting for my uniform. Got my tie. You know, I need to wear my tie. This is the most important part of the uniform. Got my white shirt, my bag, and everything else. Anyway, so, continuing on. Sorry about that. And, okay, here we go. God. Damn, it's bright, though. Anyway. Also, I'm not going to be doing an outro. I'm going to do some goodbye today. I'm not going to do an outro because I've only got one so far, but that's okay. Take your time. But right now, I don't have an outro, so remember, you guys get to decide, and I'm going to pick which one I like best. Got one from GT Gaming. I'm going to be honest, I like it, but it kind of seems like a copy of an other YouTuber. I don't know what the YouTuber's name is, but I swear I've heard something similar. You've changed words around a bit. God damn it, you really can't get any good view of me, can you? I know I'm that good looking. No, I'm not. I'm really not that good looking. Anyway, continuing on. Also, my warning, my YouTube channel is very, very hard to find. You need to type up Zimbo, Z-I-M-B-O. Then you gotta click it again because it'll say Zimbio or Zimbo. Blue writing up top of the screen. Click Zimbo. Then go to channels and look for the black background with the green Z. Pretty simple to find if you know what you're looking for. Anyway, continuing on now. Damn it! Okay, I've said this a few times now, but it is really beautiful today. The trees, the sun. Lie me if I stare at it too long, but okay, be a second. Just got an idea, and this is either for video purpose or because I really just want to see what happens. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna look at the sun. It's probably gonna hurt. You'll do. Actually, no, don't. I'm not gonna point the camera as well because I'm gonna be able to see a thing and it'll probably blind you. Okay, ready? Let's keep the camera on me. Good. No, fingers out of the way. Ready? Oh god, it's bright. Ah, no, I'm not doing that. Ow! I had to blink a few times, but it still hurt. Ah. Okay, hopefully I got that on camera. Really don't know. But you heard it, so it's good enough. Look at it. Nice tree. trees that you can't really see, but still look at those trees. Got damn walking on the grass now. It's so green and fresh. Damn, nature's beautiful today. I love nature. It's beautiful. I'm gonna walk in the shade a bit more. There we go, that's nice. Much better. Now I'm just dark and blonde. Anyway, continuing on our journey to find my home. No, I'm not lost. No, I'm not scared. No, there's no chance of me getting kidnapped. Actually, there's a chance, but don't worry. I know how to escape a kidnapping. Trust me, I've watched videos on YouTube, and I just don't really know how to not. I know all the basics. Don't worry. I also know number one thing: if somebody tries to grab you, you run for your life. Run like you've never had before. I would drop my bag and run. Anyway, so I just want to ask, how have you all been? Hope you are all doing well in school, if you are still in school. Also, check out a friend of mine. His name's He's got his channel GT Gaming, all capitals, yes. He's got much more subscribers than me, but I'm fine with that because. Okay, it seems that we've got a bit of blockage up ahead. Yeah, I'll get closer and I'll show you, but blockage up ahead, I'm gonna have to walk around it, it seems, but I don't want to walk around. It's an extra like 10. Maybe it's like an extra 5 meters of walking. I can't walk that far. That's my puppy dog impression, by the way. Anyway, moving on to our journey. Catch all the Pokemons. Or is Pokemons? I'm getting really confused. Hey, look, they're changing the pathway. Look at this. Instruction work. You gotta stay out of the way. It's got orange. Can't touch the orange line. You can walk past this, I think. I don't even know. I'm pretty sure I can walk past this because I don't know how anyone else got to where I was. Just look at that beautiful color orange. You know, my favorite color isn't orange. There we go. My favorite color isn't orange. It is mainly blue or red. But so I go clear. Blue, red, or maybe red, blue. I'm so confused now. Doesn't matter. Just my base favorite colors are blue, red, and lime green because lime green is just cool. Later, I'm going to be ending this video in 2 minutes, so yeah. Soon I'm going to be doing a video called YouTuber Impressions, where I'm going to be watching YouTubers, then I'm going to look at their outros and intros, and I'm going to do them. So yeah, it's going to be interesting and funny if I fail and mess up the complete whole thing, and hopefully the YouTubers don't see me and feel ashamed of me, because I was going to feel sad. Oh god, I'm walking down the path of nothing. Can you see that? No, you can't see that, never mind. Forest. Hi-ho, hi-ho, up the walk we go. Hi-ho, 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 hi-ho. Ever seen that movie? Oh, I loved it when I was younger. Best movie ever. Yes, I know it's a girl's movie, it's damn... Who even was Snow White movie? Yes, I know. Still. What the hell? Oh, we just had 2 kids who almost knocked into each other, one bike, one skateboard. Could have been a complete fatal accident. Anyway, I'm going to be ending this video here. Sorry, kids just rode past. I'm ending this video here. Hope you all enjoyed, and if you liked it, do nothing. Yeah, you can like the video if you want, and you can subscribe, do whatever, but anyway, can't wait for you to all see the next video, and goodbye.